Know its commission rate is 15%. What is the commission from the sale of $4,200 worth of merchandise? Well, we compute commission by finding a product. It's the product of the commission rate and the amount of sales. Let's let C represent the commission. The commission rate is 15%, and we're going to multiply that times the amount of sales, which was $4,200. Now, to do the multiplication, I'm going to convert 15% to decimal notation. So I have C is equal to 0.15 times $4,200. And when I actually carry out the multiplication, I have that C is equal to $630. So this is the commission from the sale of $4,200 worth of merchandise.